Getting this error? When you try to build lighting, levels, basically anything using the build tool in Unreal Engine 5.6. Here's a simple, and honestly, the easiest way to fix it. Just click OK here and go ahead and close Unreal Engine. Now head over to the Unreal Engine directory where it's installed. Open your Unreal Engine 5.5 folder, go into the Engine folder, then Binaries. From there, copy the .NET folder and paste it into the Binaries folder of your Unreal Engine 5.6 directory. And keep in mind, guys, when you see the prompt to replace or skip files, make sure to hit skip. We don't want to overwrite the newer files with older ones. Now, if you don't have Unreal Engine 5.5 installed, don't worry. I've added a download link in the video description with just the .NET folder, so you can drop that into your 5.6 install. All right, now let's reopen the same project and try building the lighting again. Now you'll get a pop-up for Swarm Agent. Just allow it, and it'll start building the lighting. And that's it. We've fixed the error. Huge thanks to Microsoft and Epic for this masterpiece of developer experience. Because nothing says next-gen engine like copying folders from one version to another just to get these features working.